Hello everyone, this is a boxing game. It's a boxing management simulator where you start off as a trainer. You can hire one boxer, and the main part of the game really is to make as much money as you can, but have fun along the way with training boxers, dealing with issues. It's very in-depth, but the main reason for this video today is I wanted to show you how you can make a menu system more interesting, even if you're not a good artist. I'm really bad at art. I don't really have an interest in making art. I can't really force myself to spend too long on sprites because I just find it really I find it hard work. I'd much prefer to make systems in a game and see everything work that way. I enjoy that a lot more. So what you can see here is a few things that I made myself as quickly as I could, and other random images that I found on the internet. If I exit out of this, this is basically the city, and every building has different options you can do. So I designed a menu system that basically checks an array to see how many buttons are in each building, and all the animations work regardless of whether there's 1 or 20 buttons, although I can only really fit 5 at a time. So originally I had the buttons stacked like this. As soon as you clicked on the building, they just displayed like this, and I thought, well, how can I make this more interesting? So as you just saw, I implemented like a staggered effect. I used an array for this and a timer, and each button starts a little bit later than the rest of them, and then once they reach where they need to be, then they stop moving and the animation ends. And just have a boolean, basically a boolean, just to say whether to run the animation or not, and it makes it a bit more interesting to look at. And because this is a boxing game, I thought, well, if I can add some boxing gloves to the side of them, and if you click one, then the rest of the buttons will just disappear, and it'll just be the option with the glove. And I thought, well, if I click a button, can I maybe have these like gloves punching each other like that? So just to, basically just because it's a boxing game and I'm trying to make it as boxy as I can. Yeah, that's it really. Quite a simple thing, but it makes the menu system a lot nicer, like a little bit of juice there. Normally, well, I've been avoiding showing this game for a while because I'm not quite at the point where I want to be with it yet. The fighting system, the battle system, took me quite a long time to make, and that's very in-depth as well, and that's going to probably change once or twice in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.